And a touchdown for the Hamilton Tiger Cats.
Hey all, Rick here from Tigcats.network, and we are going to be looking at yet another prospect profile. This one is Ty Anderson, defensive line from Alberta University. So this pick here was the one that we acquired earlier in the day in the Cam Sampson to Hamilton trade. Anderson was a 2024 Canada West All-Star after assuming 21 total tackles, 3.5 tackles for loss, 2 forced fumbles, 1 fumble recovery with Alberta last year. The 6'3", 290-pound Calgary native also suited up in the West East Bowl. So I was actually able to find his highlights from Alberta. So he had 1.5 sacks, 3.5 tackles for loss, 27 total tackles, 1 fumble recovery, 2 blocked field goals, and I'm not sure what a PBU is. So he's this guy right here, number 98. This one right here. Here he is right here. Looks like he plays defensive tackle, which I think he'll do well for us. He just gets through that line, the offensive line, so much. I mean, I don't know if he'll have the same success rate in the CFL. But I mean, won't hurt to try when he gets the shoulder pads on tomorrow, or Wednesday, I should say, for rookie camp. Here he is here again, where he goes, runs through, or tries to get through the one blocker anyways, as the plays over here. So hopefully he brings this play style to our team in training camp. I mean, he for sure won't be a starter. He may be a depth player or practice squad player, but we shall see how it goes. Because all we know, he may make the team. He may not make the team. We don't know what the future holds. But the more and more film I am seeing of him, I'm hoping he makes at least the practice squad, anyways. Because then he will, if he makes practice squad, then chances are there could be a chance of him playing this year. Now I say chance, doesn't necessarily mean that it will happen. Wherever the ball is, he goes. So we'll just let this run in the background. If you've made it this far into this prospect video, please leave a like, subscribe, turn on notification bell so that you'll be notified once other content does come out on the channel. Also, later on this week, we're going to take a deeper look at the depth chart, as well as we will also be taking a look at the training camp schedule as that got released today. But I do appreciate everyone for stopping by and checking out the content. This is Rick from Tycat Talk Network, and have yourself a great rest of your day as we finish watching the rest of this highlight video.